Hi, this is Drew from Skinny WordPress. One of the questions that I get asked a lot is how do you get the copyright notice at the bottom of your theme? Well, and the answer is it depends. It depends, of course, on your theme and the options your theme gives you. For example, this current theme that we're running here in the Skinny Demo website, if you go into the theme options, you can see there is a place for the footer copyright notice, and you would simply type it in. Well, that makes it very easy, but say you've got other themes, say for example the new 2011 theme, the WordPress default theme. If you notice, there is no copyright notice at the bottom. And if you go to the theme options, they really don't give you a whole lot to go on. You can see this is pretty much it. So what do? Well, here's the thing. You can do it very easily, except you have to also be very careful because we're going to be editing the PHP files to your theme. Let me show you what I mean. Let's go down to our appearance menu and down to our editor. Now the copyright notice is usually located at the bottom of the page, which would be in our footer. So we're going to go to our footer PHP file, which controls the bottom. And the first rule of thumb is anytime we're messing with any of the code like this, the first thing you want to do is you want to get the whole thing and you want to copy it and then put it in a text file. Just real quick, we'll just paste it in here. So we have it in case anything goes horribly wrong. So that's the first thing. Second thing is we want to go to, this is a pretty small file as you can tell. What we're looking for is in the footer, we're going to look for something that says whatever text is at the bottom. For example, this one says proudly powered by WordPress and there's a link. So that's what we're going to look for. We're going to go down here and we can see that proudly powered by WordPress, this is it here. So what we want to do is we want to add on to this. So we're simply going to put a couple spaces here, put a little divider, and if you want, you can put the copyright notice, which is, if you're on a Mac, it's Option G, or you can simply write out copyright. It's up to you. Some people put both. We're going to put the year, and we'll put Skinny WordPress. All right. Basically, we haven't changed anything. We just added this little part onto the end here. So what we're going to do is we're going to update the file. We're going to go back to our theme here. We're going to refresh the page. We look at the bottom and we have our copyright notice added right onto it. Now, if you're really feeling brave, you can go back and you can remove this or you can edit this however you want. Again, I have to caution you, be careful. Make sure you keep a backup copy so you can put everything back exactly the way it was if you screw something up terribly. But this is a quick and simple way that you can add a copyright notice to the bottom of your website.